How to indent text in MS Word. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can indent a text or a paragraph or a sentence in your MS Word document. So as here you can see, we have this agreement sample document right here on which we will be applying indentation. So as here you can see, this is our document, and now in order to apply the indentation into this document, what we will need to do is make use of the indentation ruler. The indentation ruler usually appears at this particular part of your MS Office and over at the left hand side as well. But in this case, you can see that the indentation ruler is nowhere to be seen. If this is the case with you as well, then you will need to enable this. To enable the indentation ruler, you need to go to the View tab right here, and then under the View tab, you can see this subsection that says Show. So under the Show, you can simply check onto this ruler option. Once you will click onto this ruler option, you can see that the ruler has successfully appeared. Now, using this particular ruler, we will be able to adjust the indentation of text in our Word document. So, for example, let's say if we want to indent any particular paragraph like this first paragraph. So, what you will need to make sure is that you place your cursor just before that particular paragraph that you want to indent. And once you have done that, you can use the upper part of the indentation ruler, which is also called the first line indent, and then you can move it according to your preference. And as here you can see that the first line of this particular sentence has been successfully indented. So let's undo these changes, and now I will show you how you can indent the other lines except for the first line. To do this, the steps are the same. Place your cursor just before the paragraph, and then this time you will need to use the hanging indent, which is the lower portion of this particular element right here. So now you can see that now the end lines of this particular paragraph, except for the first line, is being indented and the first line is in position. Now let's say you want to indent all of this particular paragraph. So in this case, you will need to click onto this last option just below the hanging indent. If you will use this, you can see that now even the first line as well as the last lines are being indented. So you can indent the complete paragraph. Let me quickly undo these changes, and now I will show you how you can indent the whole document. To indent the whole document, you simply need to press the Ctrl and A key combinations in order to select all of the text that you want to indent. And then using the same indent, you can easily indent your document, and once you are done, you can release that in that particular place. And that's how easily you can create indents or apply indents to your MS Word document. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.